Headlines with the word of the week. Let's go.
It's Top 107.5, home in the morning heat. Big Greg, Foolish and Delicious. I know it's Tuesday, but we missed Monday because of the holiday, so we had to get a blessing to the city for the week, man. Pastor Mo, the highlights with the word of the week. Pastor Mo, what up, though?
What's going on, nephew? What's going on, Detroit? Y'all know what it is. We ain't letting it go. Letting it flow. It's Pastor Mo. It is the word of the week, and I am the pastor of Detroit, and it's motivational Tuesday/Monday. And listen, the word of the week is 50 prayers deep. Did you hear me? I said 50 prayers deep. You know we got the drunken mass with the 50 prayers deep, but today, Detroit, we got 50 prayers deep. Look, in the Gospel of Luke, chapter 10, verse 2, it says, the harvest is plentiful, but the laborers are few. So pray ye for the laborers. We praying, y'all, for the work. Listen here, Detroit, bring it on in with me. It's time. It's a Labor Day season. It was real and chill. It's back to school time. First day of school. Let's go to school right here on this left. So, which means, if it's Labor Day, it means taking a rest from that labor, from that work, to celebrate our work. Pay attention, Detroit. We got that work. We are the blue-collar state, right? And we give what? We give you that work all around the world. We are the home of having that work. We're giving you the bad boys, Detroit Pistons. We got that work. We give you the big three. We got that work. We run the streets around the world. Where do you think Big Meech came from in BMF? We got that work. And Hot 107.5 is the official station to announce the increase the peace. 50 prayers deep, right here. I'm calling out 50 prayers deep. Stop the beef and stop giving each other that work. Stop killing each other. Stop shooting and robbing each other. Stop putting in that work. It's Labor Day. This means rest from your labor. Rest from that work. Celebrate your work. Celebrate your brother and your sister. I want every hood sound off. From Davidson to Puritan to Dexter to Van Dyke. 50 prayers deep. Murder Mac, 50 prayers deep. The Red Zone, 50 prayers deep. Finkel, 7 Mile, 8 Mile, 6 Mile, 50 prayers deep. West Side, Linwood, Macaline, Thrasher, HP, North End, Southwest, Boy Road, 50 prayers deep. Warren, Hamtramck, and Greater Detroit. I want you to call in and sound off, represent your neighborhood, represent your district, 50 prayers deep. I don't care if you are a city official, you are running for office. We running for office over here too. We got Tammany Liberty Smith, vote for her 2017. We 50 prayers deep. Detroit, increase the peace, stop the beef. I'm Pastor Mo. I endorse this message. I love y'all. I endorse this message. I love y'all. Pay attention.
Pastor Mo, man, powerful message. Talk to you next week, man, with another motivational word of the week.
Y'all know what it is.
Previously on the morning